Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna give you a comparison between Twitch and Rumble. So, the content is pretty much the same, while Rumble allows users to post viral and trending content with a more lenient approach to video genres. Creators can on Rumble can share a wide variety of content from anywhere from news snippets to short clips to funny videos and informative tutorials like this video. So this increases the variety of the content that you may find in Rumble. Because of this, many users are switching from other platforms to Rumble. So in contrast, Twitch originally catered to gamers but has expanded to include other content categories. Uh, it is more based upon offering live streaming, while on the other hand, you can see that Rumble offers pre-recorded content more. And uh, while it is a live streaming application, Twitch it has chat interaction with viewers, and Twitch has the image of a game streaming platform. So the variety of content you will find on this platform is very limited to games. So discoverability is that Rumble is a growing platform, while Twitch is people know that, but most people that watch Twitch are mainly gamers who like to watch games. So monetizations of both platforms offer monetization opportunities for creators, while Rumble uses an advertising based model where creators earn revenue based on ad views because of the pre-recorded content genre and the reach of their content. Twitch, however, offers a more diversified income stream, and streamers can earn through subscriptions, bits, virtual cheers, ad, and donations from viewers. So yeah, this is a short comparison between the two. And the features are, in a term of features, Twitch is undoubtedly better among the two because it offers a wide range of features that are liked by both streamers and the viewers. Because of the extensions, plugins, including features like polls and game-specific add-ons. While Rumble may not be as extensive as that of Twitch, though Rumble offers features like donation systems and categories, and still lags behind Twitch when it comes to the variety of tools and services that it has to offer for streamers and viewers. And the user interface for both is pretty much the same, while Twitch has a more appealing user interface. And yeah, this is a short comparison between the two. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. So if you have to choose between the two, if you're searching for pre-recorded content or making pre-recorded content, Rumble is the option for you. But if you're more based upon live streaming and donations and that kind of thing and gaming, then Twitch is a better option for you. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.